Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video you are going to be learning how to upload your HTML website or your website files into the internet. Uploading these files into the internet will enable your website to be visible in the internet, and once someone enter your domain name on the search bar on any browser, it could be Chrome or Opera Mini, your website is going to come up. Now I believe if you're watching this video, you must have had your files ready. Now your files should be ready before you can upload them to the internet. Now your files should be in stuffs like this. You should have prepared your files and they are ready for upload. Now for every of your home page, you know you should make this to be the index.html for your home page. Now I can just open this. You can see that it's not yet uploaded to the internet, so you can see that right here that it is still on our PC. So now we are going to upload these files into the internet so that our website is going to become visible, and once someone search for our website, they can actually visit our website. There are 4 steps we are going to follow for us to upload our website into the internet. Now the very first step is for us to give our website a name. Now for you to give your website a name, you should already prepared your mind on the kind of site you're building, and you already have a name for your website. Now we can actually come to some of the registrars. We have Namecheap, we have Bluehost, and we have some other registrars that can allow you to check for the availability of your domain name. Now the domain name is the name of your website, is the unique identity of a particular website. Now you're going to check out for a domain name. So let's say Namecheap for instance. So you are going to check out for this domain name, and if it's available we are going to purchase it, and once after purchasing our domain name we are going to purchase our hosting. So you need these two, the domain and the hosting, for your website to be visible online. Now your hosting is where your web files are stored, and you can always call up these web files whenever you want. So these web files you can see here, your files are going to be stored in your hosting account. So now we are going to just, let's say we want to create a website for a business, so we can just say Bizman products. We can just say Bizman product.com. So let's just check. I'm just taking a random domain name, so you should always have your own domain name. So that is the first procedure. We're going to check out for our domain, to buy it and then buy our hosting so that we can actually upload our files into the internet. So let's see if it's available. Wow, so our domain name is available, so I'm just going to add this to cart. So we've added our domain name to cart, and the next thing we are going to get is the hosting. And remember, I will always recommend you go with the shared hosting. So I'll go with the shared hosting. So now there are 3 plans here. We have the Stellar, we have the Stellar Plus, and we have the Stellar Business. So I'm okay with the first plan. So the first plan allows you to build 3 more websites. So I'm just okay with this. I'm just going to click on get started, and my box is $32. So if there is a coupon, you can actually apply for the coupon, and I've actually used the coupon on this account, so I can't apply that again. So if you're good with this, you can just proceed to add them to cart, and once you've added them to cart, we have a total of $32 for our domain and our hosting. So now if you're okay with that, we're just going to click on confirm order. And okay, now you're going to create an account with Namecheap before you're going to proceed to purchase this domain name. So just create your account, is free, and once you log in you can now purchase your domain name. Now the next procedure is where we are now going to log into our cPanel. Now once you've purchased your domain name and your hosting, the hosting company, if for instance you're making use of Namecheap is going to send you the cPanel login details of your domain. Now it is at this cPanel that you can now upload your web files. So these web files, you can now upload them there, and they are now going to become visible in the internet, so that once someone puts search for your domain name, they are going to see your website. Now let's say I already have a domain I've purchased, so I'm just going to log into that the cPanel of that domain to show you how to get this done. But you, if you're doing this for the first time or you're doing it for your clients, so just follow my procedure. Purchase your domain name, purchase your hosting, then wait for the registrars to send you your email, and from that email you're going to see your cPanel login username and your cPanel password. So with that, you can now log into your cPanel. So now let me just show you what you're going to see for your cPanel. So for you to log into your cPanel, let's say the domain name we bought is let's say this is the domain name we bought. So once you put that domain name, just put /cPanel. So once you put /cPanel, just hit the enter button, and this is going to redirect you to the page where you can now put your cPanel username and your password. So in that email that you're going to receive, you're going to receive your username and you're going to receive your password. So once you set this up and you, let's just say I'm just going to put my username, I'm just going to put my password. So once you've put the correct details and hit this login button, you're going to be redirected to this page, and this is the exact thing you're going to see on your cPanel. So this is going to take us to the third step. Now this step is where you can now set up your hosting. Now setting up your hosting is once you've logged into your cPanel. So you can see that this is our cPanel. So from here right now, we can now set up our hosting. And let's say for instance you're dealing with a website that needs you to create a database. So it is at this step 3 that you're going to set up this database, and in subsequent videos I'm going to make and show you how to set up your database from scratch to finish, and then how to connect some of the servers. So you're going to set up your database, set up your hosting, and this takes us to the final step. And this final stage is where we are now going to upload our website so that it will now become visible online. So now for you to do that, once you've logged into your cPanel and you are brought to a place like this, so just locate your file manager. So you can just see locate your file manager here, and okay, yeah, you can see my file manager. So just open it. So you may not see that. So once you don't see that, just come back to this place. There is a search button right up here. So there's a search button here. Just type for file manager and you are going to see that right here. So let's open our file manager. So this is my file manager. Yours is going to be very new. I have some of these files here because I already have a website residing on this server. So but if you're doing this for yourself or for your clients for the first time, you're just going to see everything empty. And once you're here on your file manager, just locate your public_html. So you're just going to see this right here. So just click on it, double click on it, and it's going to open to this side. So it is at this place, whatever thing that you see here, it is what is going to reside on the front end of your website. Now remember, if you want any file you set as your index.html, that is going to be your home page. So, and for you to upload these files, they must be zipped. So now how can we now zip all these files? So let's say these are my files. Now I'm just going to go back right here. I'm just going to right click on this and I'm going to click on send to. So once I click on send to, I'm going to click on compress. So once I click on compress, it is going to compress this file for me. So as you can see here on my screen, I've already compressed that, and that is why you're seeing this right here on my screen. So you're not going to compress this because you cannot upload an ordinary folder to your cPanel. It must be zipped. So this is how to zip your file. So once I've zipped that, I'm just going to come to my public_html and I'm going to click on upload. So once I click on upload, let's just wait for that. So I'm going to select files and I'm going to select that file I zipped. file. So the file is still on my system. Double click on this and this file is going to upload for me. So most times it takes longer time to upload, but you just have to give it a little more time to upload this to your server, and once it uploads this to your cPanel, your website will be live. So let's just give it a little time to upload this on my cPanel. Okay guys, so you can see that our file has been successfully uploaded. So now once this file is uploaded, you can now start extracting this file. Now I want to quickly tell you something. Now you're seeing some of this file here because I already have a website on my server. So I'm just doing this so that I can show you the procedure I follow to upload some websites online. So just follow this procedure and do that. So now on your own, if you're doing this for a client or for yourself for the first time and you don't have, maybe you just purchased the domain name and hosting new, you are not going to be seeing all this here. So what you're going to do is, once you upload the file as it is zipped like this, the next thing you're going to do is to extract. Just right click on that zipped file and click on extract. So once you extract, click on extract, and once you extract it, that file will be extracted to your public_html. Now I don't want to do that right now because I already have a website on my server, and if I do that now, it's going to overwrite every other file I already have existing on this server. So but if you're doing this for your client, just right click and then extract your file and then reload this, and you can now see that your website is live online. So guys, I believe you got value from this video, and I don't want you to make this your last time if it is the first time you're seeing any of our videos. So we share educative videos of this sort, and hit that subscription button below this video. It is free, and turn on the subscription bell so that once we release this kind of videos, you will be among the first that will start watching it. And guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.